Our sister asked if you are living within a community that the level of nudity is so high in a way that you cannot control it. What do you do? My sister, is not only a community. Now Satan has found a way of packaging it into our pockets. So once you have the smartphone, you might not need a community to actually plunge you into this trouble. You have a smartphone, you can go onto all the social media handles. It's difficult, so it's a problem for us. But not singling out only that case of nudity that you have said. In any environment at all, if there is a level of stimuli that you cannot control, then Hijra becomes compulsory for you. Immigration. Leave that environment. It's beyond what your level. So Allah says His earth is so wide. You can't stay at one place and say, in fact, I was tempted and then I couldn't do anything and then that's why I stayed here and I committed this one. No, you need to leave that particular place. Plus, if it is only nudity that you want to control, the Quran says lower your gaze. And once you are able to lower, and then at least on 45 degrees, you lower it down, you can see around anything that will come 50 meters to come and knock you. You can see that one, and you can control or you can prevent any danger within your environment. And the level, just seeing the legs of the ladies is not something at all that can plunge you into having those feelings. And then also as a male to female, seeing the legs of males will not also disturb you much. All in all, within the same environment, if you are married, for any time you have an affair with your lady, at least the weakest among us, you are able to control your sexual desire for the next 12 hours. I mean, you don't have to, at least, that's how Rasulullah said, if you see something outside that disturbs you, just go back. You have a wife in the house. I mean, go back. It doesn't matter. I mean, any time a sexual arousement happens, any lady at all can satisfy it. Psychologically, it doesn't matter. I mean, she can be the most beautiful thing you've seen and it has started. That particular fire can be quenched by any water, and that is your wife. Just go back, and then after satisfying yourself, it's finished. You can control yourself for the next 12 hours.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.